Hey there, future professionals. Welcome to Employability Plus, the channel where you'll find everything you need to build the skills that get you hired.
Hello friends, welcome to Employability Plus channel. In today's discussion, we are going to see how to use Solver in Excel. Before we begin using Solver in Excel, let's understand why Solver. What is the purpose of using Solver in Excel? What are the learning outcomes of using a Solver? Right. So when I say Solver, the goal objective of using a solver is basically to find an optimum solution for a specific scenario, right? When I say optimum solution, let's understand one thing. When we say optimum solution, we try to find a solution as per our requirement. It can be like we want to maximize the revenue, maximize revenue of our business, or we want to minimize the cost, or we want to maximize the profit, or we want to minimize the time. There may be various objectives for any business. Unless we plan to increase, maximize, or minimize in with a proper strategy, we would not achieve the results we desired for. We would not achieve it, right? So in this case, as you all would agree with me, the wants and needs of people are unlimited, right? However, the resources we have are limited, otherwise are finite. Human needs are infinite. So how are we going to achieve what we want to achieve, or get the maximum out of limited resources? How to get maximum out of limited resources? Now we're going to see couple of examples, the next 2 3 videos on solver. However, today we are going to see how to use solver for assignment problem. Here let me explain the case, right? Now, when I say Bank 24, let's say Bank 24 processes checks 7 days a week and number of workers required each day given below. And all bankers will work 5 consecutive days. Now, here this bank is, they work on every single day of the week. They work every single day of the week. And the people who work for that bank work 5 consecutive days. Which means if somebody starts on Monday, they will work only till Friday. They have a weekly off on Saturday and Sunday. Similarly, if someone starts on Tuesday, he or she will work till Saturday. They will have a the week off on Sunday and Monday. So 5 consecutive days they will work. Other 2 days they don't work. Now we also have certain requirements for manpower for meeting our uh, labor requirements. We have certain conditions. In the sense, here if you see, number of people needed for every day varies based on the demand for that particular day. The demand has been arrived based on the information which we already have in the bank, which says that Monday we would require 17 members to be part of the system. Tuesday you need to have 25. Wednesday we need to have 27. Like this, it goes on till Sunday. Each day has different requirements. Now, if you have, let's say, if we want to meet all these employee requirements, we can have more employees at work in our bank, but that will come with a higher cost. You cannot have more number of people working for the bank in order to meet the requirements, right? It's not advisable, it is not wise, it's not a wise decision, right? So we need to have minimum number of people, and as well as we need to have at the same point of time we need to achieve the our objective also. Our objective here is going to be minimize the number of employees and get the maximum out of it. So here we are going to use solver for that, right? I hope you understood. Now when it comes to solver, the main objective to find or get an optimum solution. That optimum solution can be maximizing a revenue or minimizing a cost or maximizing profit or minimizing the time. Maybe anything, right? Now we have our own limitations or constraints. In other words, limitations can also be called as constraints. Now we have certain variables here. Now how are we going to adjust those variables in order to meet those conditions and get the optimum result? So our variables have to be adjusted to meet the limitations. In the process, our main objective is going to what? To achieve a minimum or maximum an outcome, right? So let's see. Let's create a model. Since solver, you have to understand one thing. In solver, before you execute a solver, it is very important that you create a base model for that before we input that model into the solver. If you don't have a solver here, solver will be generally available in this place. Okay, if it is not available here, it's part of what if analysis. If it is not available here, you can go to file and then you can select options, more options. In that you can say add in, then add in options, add in, go, select solver, add in and give OK. So your solver will come here. Yeah, I hope you could see the solver here now under data. Once you get this solver, okay, you need to find out starting numbers. Basically, what we need to find out here is how many people are going to start on particular day. It can be a Monday, it can be Tuesday. That is the objective you want to have. How many people? So let's say I want 5 members to start on Monday. So those 5 members will work till Friday. I want to have. I want to. I'm just giving some tentative rough numbers. Some sample numbers. So let's say seven. So seven will start on Tuesday, end on Saturday. So five will start on Monday, okay, and we are creating a model basically by giving one. So five will be there till Fridays. Then Tuesday somebody will start, they'll be there till Saturday. Wednesday someone will start and they'll be till Monday. And again another person will start on Friday, he will be there till Tuesday. Another will start on Saturday, he'll be there till Wednesday. So one will start and then let's say Monday, Tuesday, right? Then Wednesday someone starts, will be there till this one, and Friday someone starts, and then someone starts on Saturday. He or she will be there for 5 days. Someone starts on this, they'll be there for till this one, right? So he starts on Sunday, right? Somebody starts on Monday, will be there till Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which is 5 days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Thursday. Someone starts on Thursday, works till Monday. Someone starts on Saturday, till Friday, will be there till, and then you start on Sunday, sorry, Saturday, work till Wednesday, then Sunday you will start, work till, this is the template, what we have created. Once you have created this template, which is one, Monday starting, Friday, Tuesday starting, and Friday, Monday starting, and it goes till Friday, Tuesday goes till Saturday, Wednesday goes till Monday, Thursday goes till Tuesday. Yes, now it is perfect. Tuesday goes till uh, Thursday goes till Monday, Friday goes till Tuesday, and Saturday goes till Wednesday and Sunday. Once you get this template ready, okay, what you can do is we can straight away put some random numbers because we have no idea about how many are going to start each day. This is a unique number. Please remember the numbers which I have typed. These are the starting numbers of a particular day of the week, which means I expect 5 members to start on Monday as their first day of the week. Similarly, I expect someone to start on Tuesday as the first day of the week. So like this, we give some random numbers as of now, and total of 42 members to be part of it. Unique numbers, 42 employees. Now actual requirement is, let's copy this actual requirement, paste it here, right click, paste special, values, transpose. You will get this value, and then once you get this value, we can use a sum product formula equal to sum product of select this data, comma, for a particular month day. This is fixed because this starting number, and whether they are not there or not on the particular day will be taken as a day count. It's nothing but 5 into 1 plus 7 into 0 plus 6 into 0. Instead of that, we are using a sum product formula. Well, once you have done the formula, what you can do is we can incorporate a dollar sign inside this formula. Like, let's say, because the reason being, the dummy numbers which we have given here on the left side, like the starting numbers every single day, the dummy numbers presently we have given it as a dummy number, that is fixed number, that is static. However, the one which we have created in the model, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so we have given the model numbers which are dynamic. So when we copy paste, it has to move forward. The other one has to be fixed. So what are we doing here is we are just going to put a dollar sign here. Okay, you can use function F4 to freeze this one with a dollar sign, and then copy paste it here. What happens now? This is freezed. You can see that it is freezed, right? This is freezed. Now this is this is fixed on the respective columns wherever you are seeing, no, that particular, it represents the column range, right? So that, that is you know in fact that is dynamic, not freezed, right? So once you got these things right, you can straight away go to solver and say reset all. You can say that objective is 42. It has to be minimum. We need to have a minimum number of employees, and we want to meet the required numbers. By changing cells, yeah, we can compromise on the number of people starting every day, which means that this can be flexible or a decision variable. We can call this a decision variable, which can be flexible. We can alter the starting number for each day, but the objective is to get the you know minimum number, minimum, or let's say the lowest number possible, right? So that is a changing variable, and then say add this actual, what we are going to get should be greater than or equal to requirement. Why greater than? You cannot have less number of employees. You can't have less number of employees, which means like the number of employees can number of employees which we are going to get as an actual should be always be higher than the number we wanted. It cannot be less than the demand. It will lead to customer satisfaction. We need to have more number of employees. We cannot have less number of employees because demand is more, right? So once you're done that, add. Next one is this particular range. This has to be what? This has to be integer. You cannot have decimals because we are not talking about numbers here. We are talking about human beings. We are talking about people working for the bank, the employees. So that cannot be in decimals. So it is an integer. Add, then cancel. Finally, you can take simplex and solve it. You will get the result. Solver found an integer solution which is 37. 37 is the final output which is the minimum number we need to have in order to meet the requirement of this particular bank. This is the minimum number we need to have. And this schedule, what this number of people starting for every single day, okay, we can use it for our strategy, scheduling strategy, right? When you start creating your schedule for the employees, you can use this as a number for creating the timetable of the employees. I hope you understood the concept very clearly, why we use solver and how to apply solver for an assignment problem. For the in coming days, we are going to see how to use solver for other linear programming models. By the way, solver can be used for both linear programming as well as non-linear programming. Right? In this case, we have used it for linear. It can be also used for non-linear, right? And this model is called assignment model. We are going to see in future. We are going to see how to use solver for transportation model, how to use it for product mix, because solver can be used in various areas of business like supply chain management, inventory management, transportation model, so on and so forth. You can use it, right? So in this case, we have used it for assignment model. Thank you so much, and I request you to subscribe for this channel, right, so that you would get an access to future videos or learning sessions, right? Thank you so much.